Hello, kindergarten. Don't mind me, and my voice is still not quite back yet. All right, so we're going to do some additional practice today with how you can make 14 and 15. Now, we are practicing making teen numbers by showing a group of 110. That means a group of 10, so 110, all grouped together, and however many ones are left over to make that number. So we're not breaking apart 14 into 7 and 7. We're taking a group of 110 and showing we know the number 14 is 10 and 4 ones. We know a group, or to make 15, it is a group of 10 and 5 ones. The point is that you understand the teen numbers are made with a group of 10 and then either a group of 1, which would be 11, a group of 2 ones would be 12, a group of 3 ones would make 13, a group of 4 ones makes 14, a group of 5 ones makes 15. So all of these lessons where we are making our teen numbers are making them with a group of 10 and ones. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and make sure you have your worksheet. I want you to make sure you have a pencil. You are going to, first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil.
And write my name.
Thank you. So I'm going to write my name. You're going to write your name. As always, please make sure you are doing your very best work. We are not just rushing through our work. That's where we make mistakes. If you're the first one done, that tells me you most likely made mistakes, didn't follow directions, or chose the wrong answers because you rushed through and didn't pay attention. Getting done first is not always the best, guys. So make sure you take your time. You're following all the directions and listening to everything that I am teaching you during these lessons, and that I can read your work. Sometimes when I get your work, you've gone so rushed through it, I can't tell what you did. So, now we've all written our name. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause it when you need extra time and hit play when you're ready to keep going. Let's take a look here in our review box. Here they show us how we can make 14. Remember, when we make numbers, stop. When we make numbers, we have our two groups and then the equal sign and then the number that we're making. The equal sign is at the end here. It's plus sign, group 1 plus group 2. So here we have our group of 110. It's called a 10 frame. If the 10 frame is full of counters, it's 10. You don't even have to count them. You know it's 10 because it's full and it's a 10 frame. So this is showing 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Here again, we see it's full. So it's a group of 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our 10 plus 5 equals 15. So now let's look at number 1. Here, we are going to make 14. So how can you make 14? You're going to draw counters to show a group of 110 and some more ones. So I know if I'm going to make a group of 110 in the 10 frame, then I need to draw counters in all the boxes. When we use a 10 frame, we start on the top left, just like when we're reading. I'm going to draw counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I come back over here, just like if I was reading or writing, and I fill in all the boxes because that's 10. So there's 110, and then how many ones to make 14? If I don't know off the top of my head, 2 tricks. First, you know this is 10, so you can count on. When I tell you to count on, that doesn't mean when you start drawing counters over here, you start saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. We already filled in 10, so we're starting with 10, and we keep counting. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There we go. The second trick that I have is if you look at the number that you're making and you know you have 110, you can look at that last number and say, oh, 14 has 4 ones because there's a 4 there. So I know I need to draw 4 counters. All right, we're going to fill in our equation. We see Gus the plus, so we know we're doing group 1 plus group 2. My group 1 is the first 10 frame here. I know it's full, so how many is it?
10.
Great job. We're going to write the number 10. Make sure the number 1 is first and then the 0. All our team numbers have a 1 first. Plus, how many ones?
4.
4. We can double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can look over here. 4. I'm going to write the number 4. Awesome job. Let's look at this one. Here you're going to make 15. So I want you to do this one on your own. You're going to draw the counters to show a group of 110 and however many ones it takes to make 15. So you're going to start out by drawing your counters to show that 110. So how many counters should you be filling in?
10.
10, because I said 110. So draw in your counters to show 110. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to draw however many ones it takes. So you can either, like I showed you up here, after you've drawn 10 counters, you can keep counting until you get to 15 and see how many counters you drew, how many ones, or you can look at the number and see how many it tells you. No? Once we've done that, you're going to fill in the equation. Your equation better have a 10, friends, because we're showing how to make 15 with a 10 and however many ones it takes to make 15. Okay, your first number should be 10. All right, let's flip it over. When you're ready, if you need more time, pause it and then hit play when you're ready. All right, on the back. Let's see, 10 plus 4 equals 14. Draw a picture to show the equation 10 plus 4 equals 14. How many do I need to draw in my first group?
10.
10. You know, we learned something recently that shows 110.
A stick.
Oh my goodness. Finger claps to my friend here. A stick shows 110, so let's draw it. I know if I just draw this, that means 110. And then how many ones do I need?
4.
So we're going to draw 4 cubes to show 4 ones. Okay? You can also draw 10 counters and 4 counters, just like we do with our other ones, to show 10 plus 4 equals 14. Okay, and I want us to go down here. We've got 10 plus 5. Remember, if you need more time, hit pause, then hit play when you're ready to go. For 10 plus 5 equals 15. All right, how can you draw to show the equation 10 plus 5 equals 15? You're going to do this one on your own. I want you to draw to show me a 10 plus 5 ones makes 15. All right? Please stop shaking the table. So you need to make sure you draw your picture to show it. Pay attention to what we did up here as a clue as to what you should be doing down here. Just know they're different numbers. This was for 14. You're doing it for 15. When you're all done with that, I want you to go back and double check your work. Did you complete this one on your own? If you turn this in blank, you're going to have to do it again. Do it right the first time so you don't have to do it over. Don't waste time. Don't go rush through it just because you want to get it done. Do it right the first time. Okay? You guys are awesome. I love all of you, and I will see you next time.